How to reduce PDF file size in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can use or reduce the file size for a PDF file within Canva. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to reduce the PDF file size in Canva, there are a couple of things that you can do. So first, go to your Canva design or the PDF that you want to maybe withdraw or maybe just export it. So once done, whenever you're trying to download it, you would normally click the share icon from the top right, select the option called download, and select the option called PDF standard. Then once done, you would be able to click on this download button. But if you want to go ahead and then basically reduce the file size, what you can do is, instead of selecting PDF print, right? Because PDF print is actually optimized for printing, and maybe you would get a best color profile here and you would select some of the pages for professional printing. Unless you'd want to print it, I would recommend you select PDF standard. Now, even after you select PDF standard, turn off these two options that calls flatten PDF and include notes. So flatten PDF actually converts the content of the design into single image per page, and it may increase the file size. So which is why you want to turn this off. As for the notes, also make sure to turn that off and click the download button. And this way you can reduce the file size of PDF in Canva. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.